Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix a shoelace with duct tape. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a shoelace, and let's just say that your shoelace was broken or cut. Now this is an old shoelace that I no longer need. It was on a shoe that I have in my basement, and I looked at the shoe and I was like, you know what, I'm probably never going to wear these shoes again. So I've been wanting to do this video for a while, so I was like, you know what, I'll use this shoelace because I'm probably never going to wear these shoes again. So I took the shoelace off of my shoe that I'm probably never going to wear again. One of my shoes, because it's a pair of shoes obviously, I took the shoelace off and I'm going to cut it, okay, just to show you what you would do if your shoelace was broken. Okay, so we're going to cut through. There we go. Now we have cut the shoelace. We have the two ends of the shoelace. So wherever your shoelace has been ripped or broken or cut or whatever the case is, you can actually use duct tape to repair it. So just give me a moment. I'm going to place this down here. All that you need from your duct tape is at least one piece of duct tape. It doesn't have to be too big. Okay, probably like that is more than enough. So I'm going to cut it right now. Just give me a moment. And I'll show you how you can use also multiple pieces. But we're going to start off with just one piece. Okay, and I don't want the duct tape to fall. There we go. I don't want it to roll all over the vehicle because I'm in my van right now. So I have a piece of duct tape over here. Very simple. We have the two pieces of shoelace over here, and this is exactly where they would regularly connect. All that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the duct tape. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the duct tape, and essentially I'm putting one shoelace, and we're going to go, just towards the end over here. We're going to go right towards the end. I'm putting one shoelace, one end of the shoelace over here at about the middle side to side of the duct tape, but towards the bottom. So towards the end, but roughly in the middle when you're looking at it side to side. Now, excuse me. Sorry, I just had my morning coffee. I just started drinking my morning coffee not too long ago, so I apologize. I burped. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'll say it one more time. Excuse me. So anyways, I'm well-mannered. I excuse myself. We are moving on. I'm going to get the other end of the shoelace, and I'm going to try and match it up as precisely as I can, just like that. Okay? So as you can see, it's close enough. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be good enough. Once you have done that, okay, you're going to basically just take the duct tape and you're going to really try and wrap it nicely around those shoelace ends, just like that. So I'm just kind of rolling the duct tape around the shoelace ends like this, okay? Very, very simple and straightforward. Just like that. Give it a good amount of pressure, and that's the beginning. You can stop here, and it'll be, strong. But if you want to make it even stronger, what you can do is you can get two more pieces of duct tape and do the same thing on either side. So I'll show you right now. I'm going to get two more pieces of duct tape. These ones are just going to be really, really small. So I have one more piece over here, okay? And I'm going to get one piece of duct tape, and I'm going to go on one side over here. As you can see, I'm going on one side and I'm just wrapping it around, overlapping the duct tape that is pre-existing over there, okay? Just to strengthen it with regards to how it holds onto the shoelace, just like that. And then I'm gonna get another piece of duct tape, another small piece of duct tape, just like this. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put it on the other side of the shoelace, just like that, overlapping the duct tape once again, just like that. Really, really easy to do. And that's basically it. It is not perfect by any means. You could do it better than this. But, if you want to use a shoelace and it's been sort of ripped or torn or cut or whatever the case is, and you want to mend it together and fix it, you can use duct tape to do just that. And I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.